Are you curious how your PCB design goes from a set of electronic files to a fully assembled board? It's a complicated process, but one we've perfected over the past 16 years. All it takes to get started is to send us your file by email, through our online portal, or with your file sharing app. Using your data and the desired type of service, our quoting teams find prices for assembly, components, and printed circuit boards. Quoters also work with planning to find how long it will take to get your project completed. Typical turn time is 3 days from when we have the boards and components in-house, but it can be as fast as a single day. Once you place the order, you are assigned a client services rep. They keep track of your order from procuring boards to ordering components and through each assembly manufacturing process. If you have a question, ask them. If we have a question, they'll ask you. If we order PCBs for you, we will most likely have them built at our board shop in California. This allows us to keep costs down while maintaining a quick build schedule. During this stage, your data is checked, the boards are fabricated, and then each PCB is electrically tested before being shipped overnight to us. While your boards are built and shipped, our sourcing team purchases all components from authenticated part vendors. We buy so many parts, we have our own team at DigiKey's Minnesota facility. We perform a free design check called Design for Assembly, or DFA, on every job. This DFA checks for any design issues that could cause errors or holds during manufacturing, such as part fit or polarity. Your client services rep will work with you to resolve any identified problems. Don't feel bad. 95% of all designs have at least one problem to fix. Any unresolved errors or holds will cause delays, so make sure to resolve them quickly. Once we have your boards and parts and have completed the DFA check, it's time to start placing components on your boards. This is when assembly day one starts. There are 5 main steps to the assembly process. First, we apply solder to your board. We use a jet paste printer for accuracy and flexibility. Next, components are placed using one of our high-speed MyData machines. Third, components are soldered to the board in a reflow oven. Specialty parts are then added by hand, and the completed boards are washed to remove residue. Once your boards are assembled, they are inspected for quality in multiple ways. First, we X-ray BGA and leadless parts. Next, we use an AOI machine to photographically compare your board to a golden board. And finally, we visually inspect each board. Now your boards are ready to build your amazing project. We love what we do here at Advanced Assembly and look forward to working with you.